In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a course on Teachable. We'll walk through creating a new course from your Teachable admin and setting up the essentials so you're ready to build out content with confidence. Start by signing into your Teachable school and opening the admin dashboard. In the left sidebar, click Courses to head to the area where all your course content lives. Then select New Course to begin a fresh build. You'll land on the basic setup screen. Type a clear, searchable course title that reflects the promise of your content. Next, write a short description that focuses on outcomes and who the course is for. Think about what learners will be able to do by the end. Keep it concise. You can always refine it later. When that's set, click Continue. Now add a thumbnail image. This visual appears in your school and helps your course stand out. If you don't have artwork ready, choose the option to skip for now. To upload an image, click Upload, choose My Device, select your file, and click Open. Confirm with Upload File, wait for it to finish, and then click Done. When the image looks good, click Continue. Next, outline your course. This is where you map the learning path into sections and lessons. You can start from scratch and add items one by one, or save time by using bulk upload if you've already prepared multiple files. Keep sections focused and logically ordered so learners always know what's coming next. If you'd like a head start, click Generate with AI. Teachable will propose a draft outline based on your title and description. Treat it as a starting point. Accept what fits, rename or rearrange items, and remove anything off target so the structure matches your voice and goals. When your initial outline feels solid, click Finish. You've now created the framework for your course on Teachable and are ready to continue building lessons, refining content, and preparing for launch.